AI-powered business automation means using intelligent tools that can think, learn, and make decisions to run daily operations. Unlike traditional automation, which only follows fixed rules, AI can adapt and improve over time. It can read emails, process documents, answer customer questions, and even predict what needs to be done next. Businesses across industries are now using AI to handle everything from data entry to marketing campaigns. The goal is simple: reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and speed up processes, allowing you to focus on growth and strategy rather than repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Common AI automation tools. There are many AI tools that can make your business run smoother. Chatbots handle customer queries 24/7. AI scheduling assistants book meetings without back-and-forth emails. OCR and NLP tools scan and understand documents instantly. Predictive analytics tools help forecast demand. AI-powered CRMs automatically score leads and send follow-up emails. Marketing tools use AI to create, post, and optimize content. Finance teams use AI to process invoices, detect fraud, and track expenses. By integrating these tools into your business, you can turn hours of manual work into minutes, all with higher accuracy and efficiency. Benefits of AI automation. The benefits go beyond saving time. AI reduces human error, delivers faster results, and works 24/7 without breaks. It can scale your operations without needing to hire more people. Data collected by AI tools helps you make better decisions, from improving marketing campaigns to predicting customer needs. This creates a smoother customer experience, making people more likely to buy from you again. Plus, with AI taking care of repetitive work, your team can focus on creative, high-value projects. In short, AI doesn't replace people. It helps them work smarter and achieve more. How to get started. First, identify the repetitive tasks in your business, things like data entry, scheduling, or answering common questions. Next, research AI tools designed for those tasks. Many platforms, such as Zapier, HubSpot, or UiPath, offer easy integrations with your current systems. Start small. Automate one or two processes, test the results, and then expand. Always set clear goals, like reducing response times or cutting costs, and track your progress. Don't forget to train your team on how to work with AI tools so they can maximize the benefits and avoid mistakes. Future of AI in business. AI business automation is evolving rapidly. Soon, AI will not just complete tasks, it will recommend strategies, manage entire workflows, and even predict market changes before they happen. Businesses that embrace AI now will have a competitive edge, saving costs and delivering faster, better services. The key is to start learning and experimenting today. The earlier you integrate AI into your processes, the sooner you'll enjoy its full potential. In the future, the most successful companies will be those that combine human creativity with AI's speed, accuracy, and intelligence.